5 months away from the Lok Sabha, the national elections, and it is clearly shown that people are with the Bharatiya Janata Paksh and the leader, our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. They have supported full-heartedly. We are making government of two-thirds in Madhya Pradesh and with clear majority in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. I congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Nadda ji and Amit Shah ji, as well as I thank the voters of all the 5 states. This election has thrown out a lot of issues. The negative campaign of Congress, the corruption of Congress-ruled states, the scams, and unable to protect women. All these issues have gone against Congress, and to cover up that, Congress started issues with Sanatana Dharma. Then they came out with caste censuses. Then they came out with the personal below the belt attack on the Honorable Prime Minister, which people have not tolerated and they have rejected wholeheartedly. And the positive side of this election is the programs of our Narendra Modi ji, especially the large amount of housing, gas, and the help to the agriculture sector and the improvement in power. All these things have really helped the positive side of the election. And hats off to Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who is coming out for the 4th time. And this will be the second Gujarat. Madhya Pradesh will be a second Gujarat. And this effect is going to have on Karnataka also. Already in 6 months, Congress has been exposed by their false freebies. It has not reached the people, and it has created confusion in the people, and it has totally failed. Even now, the assembly elections are held, we are going to win hands down. And I am sure that in coming Lok Sabha, Karnataka will repeat 25 seats which we have won in 2018. We are going to repeat them.